Hi everybody and welcome back to Parrot Wisdom. We hope you really enjoyed watching our previous art video in Parrot Express, and that is why we are back with yet another video under the event Art and Crafts. This time it is a sketch of a parrot and the name of the drawing is Parrot and Pencil. It is a pretty simple illustration of a parrot sitting on a branch, and the shading style is known as line art form. We hope you will enjoy watching this video as much as you have enjoyed watching our previous videos. And with this, we begin our content 2 under event 1 Art and Crafts. So this was our second content under the event Art and Crafts. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. So do let us know your experience in the comment section, like the video and share it with other people. If this excites you, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to know more.